Hello, everyone. Have a nice day. Welcome to my DiyTop1 channel. In this video, I went on. There's a knife sharpening trick I'd like to show you. This knife will save you money. Let's start the video. Take time to understand each step. If you're having trouble with anything, let me know in the comments, and I'll help you. What country are you from? Please leave me a comment so I can make more subtitles. Go back to your country so you can track it. It's great that I can talk to people from all over the world. Let's share some interesting tips, useful for our lives, especially to save money. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on the channel subscription button. I'm glad to see your support. After gluing adhesive tape and pencil, let's measure and mark the sandpaper. Take the scissors and cut where we just marked it. Let's do that with the next one. Peel off the outer layer of the double-sided adhesive tape and put that sandpaper on. Cut off the leftovers. Continue with the rest. Now, let's get a wooden board and a drill. This drill will help us to grind without much effort. Help us not to get tired. A little water on the blade. And let's start the drilling and grinding machine. Tilt the knife about 15 to 20 degrees. Grind the knife from the base to the tip. Real hand sharpening. Don't use too much force. Change the face of the blade. Keep grinding like that. Check if your tongue has become sharp. Then let's clean this knife. Please clean up. Toothpaste, baking soda, and remember to add some fresh water. Beat the mixture on the blade. They hit both sides. Drying knife. This knife has become sharp. Thank you for watching all the videos. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel to support me. Let everyone know about this trick. I wish you success.
Thank you.